can't keep inhaling this phosphorus. It's messing up my lungs.
Dude, you're an idiot. When you burn phosphorus, it turns into carbon quintoxide.
You guys are both wrong. Phosphorus is found in the atmosphere as the highly reduced gas phosphine, pH 3, in small quantities. At room temperature, phosphorus is a liquid. It normally occurs in nature as part of a phosphate ion, PO4, consisting of a phosphorus atom and 4 oxygen atoms. Most phosphates are found as salts in ocean sediments or rocks.
This guy knows his stuff.
Seriously, dude, what else is there to know?
Well, phosphates move quickly through plants and animals. However, the processes that move them through the soil or ocean are very slow, making the phosphorus cycle overall one of the slowest biogeochemical cycles.
Wait a second. I just bought an ounce of phosphorus off this guy. He said it only comes in this form. Did I just get ripped off?
Not necessarily. Phosphorus is eroded from rock in the form of sediment. I suppose you could have collected some of the sediment before it reached water and dissolved.
Sweet. But wait, doesn't phosphorus come in poop too?
Sort of. It can be transferred from animal decomposition and waste. Bacteria and other decomposers break down the organisms and poop and release it into the soil in the form of hydrogen phosphate or dihydrogen phosphate, where it can run off and either become marine sediment, where most phosphorus is located, or dissolve in solution. Later, it can become terrestrial again as a result of uplift.
You, my friend, you know your stuff.
Indeed I do.
Wait, is it all the same kind of phosphorus, or does it go through some kind of change?
Not as many as the nitrogen or carbon cycle, but it does have some. Inorganic phosphate is absorbed by plant roots from the soil. Once in cells, phosphates are incorporated into biological molecules such as nucleic acids like DNA and RNA and ATP.
Oh yeah, ATP. That's that energy molecule that I learned about in AP Bio.
Yeah, and nucleic acids are DNA. That's stuff that transfers your genes from generation to generation. I think using my dad's genes.
Nice.
Yeah, something like that.
So do people affect the phosphorus cycle?
Human influences on the phosphorus cycle come mainly from the use of commercial fertilizers. The addition of phosphorus from fertilizer deposits contribute to the enrichment of water and lead to changes that are undesirable, like the cyanobacteria in Lake Washington. The phosphate is obtained through mining of certain deposits of calcium phosphate and apatite.
Speaking of appetite, dude, I'm starving.
Bro, seriously, I woke up late today and did not get my frosted flakes.
Guys, focus. Have you been listening to me this whole time?
Of course. Phosphorus starts out in sedimentary rock where it gets eroded and travels to water by runoff.
Or it can be released into the soil by dead animals and their poop, which then travels to water and can either be dissolved into the water as a solution or can settle on the bottom of the sea and collect as marine sediments.
And then the process of uplift brings the sediment back to the surface into new rock formations.
I think you guys are forgetting something.
Oh yeah, and the fertilizer has calcium phosphate in it and gets released into the soil by farmers.
I think you guys got it now.
Wait a second. What about the farms with all those cows? That's a lot of poop all in one place. There must be a crap load of phosphorus there.
Yes, that's another human impact.
Bro, we can sit here all day and talk about phosphorus. Or we can take this phosphorus and contribute to the greenhouse effect, if you know what I mean.
Chill, man. I don't know what that crap is, and I definitely don't want to inhale it. I've been coughing enough as it is.
Alright, dude. You're a loss. Thanks, Ricky. At least like I know a lot about the phosphorus cycle now.
Yeah, man, thanks. I thought I was coughing because I was breathing phosphorus, but you told me the facts about phosphorus, and now I know.
And knowing's half the battle.